Hello everyone. Let us have a look at the solution of question 4 from Clash of Brains season 2. It is given that the cube is painted red, blue and green on adjacent sides, not on opposite sides, on adjacent sides. A similar conditioned cube is shown on your screen. Now look at the figure. This corner has 3 colors, and as we know that cube has 8 corners, so total small cubes painted with 3 colors are 8. But the question asked is all 3 colors should be different. Now again look at the figure. These 2 cubes repeats blue color. Similarly for red color and green color. So subtract these 6 cubes from total 8 cubes. You are left with 2 cubes which have 3 different colors painted on it. Now moving on to the second part of question 4. Look at the figure. A single edge has 3 cubes painted with only 2 colors. So all 12 edges will have total of 36 small cubes colored with only 2 colors. But again, the question asked is for 2 different colors. Now look at the figure again. As colors are painted adjacently, we will have these 3 cubes which repeat colors. Similarly for red and green color, making it 9 cubes which repeat colors. Now subtract these 9 cubes from total 36 cubes. We will have 27 cubes left as our answer with only 2 faces painted with exactly 2 different colors. If you still have any query left, feel free to contact us via aptitude on Instagram.